Hello, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to share all the six AI images generator for that we can use for print on demand for free. So there's no specific order which is the best. So it's up to you what you will use. But I'm giving you the options what are the free. So one of this one is the NightCafe. So these are some of the images that I like that you can recreate. So example, you want this one to put in the, for example, picture frame wall arts or mugs. You can put this one, or even t-shirt or bags. You can use this. Just go to the explore. Just check what are the top for the day, top for the week. Even the style you can top all top of all time. So you can search here some of the designs, and you can put a heart so you can like the image, and you can go to your profile to recreate those designs. So because some of the designs here are perfect for t-shirt designs. So it's top for the week example. So like this, it's good for t-shirt. If you can, this one can easily be edited in Photoshop to remove all the black area. So I have a tutorial for that in my lots of my videos. If you will review some of my videos, I have tutorial how to remove all the block like this, and you can add some text above this one. So even this you can edit in Photoshop, like some of my videos. You can check. So this is the one of the good thing here in NightCafe. You can see the art of other people, and you can like. So that is the same to the next one, which is the Leonardo. So you have 150. So every day they give you token, so you can create here. So like the same as that. So these are the some of the arts that I like from other people that you can recreate. If you want like this, for it's perfect for Etsy. This one Etsy. Here Etsy sale like this sticker cartoons. So it's here for street streetwear style. Like, so you can use this one. So these are some of the art that I like. Even this one, perfect for Halloween. Uh, the next one is a playground. As playground is based on templates. The good thing about here is if you don't have any idea for the design, they already have here. You don't need to think, but it's limited. But some of the designs are pretty good. You can just click one, select one, and you can edit. Type in the prompt. Select this Donald Trump. So I open this one. So what I put here is the change Donald Trump to a zebra. So it also changes the text. For example, export. So this is the quality. So you can download, and you can easily edit this one in Photoshop. Just check in my previous tutorial how to edit this. So this is in the playground. So it's based on templates. See, you can see all the good designs here. So like this, you can make the next one now. So these are the some of the designs that are perfect for that you can vectorize perfectly, and it is better for text if you want typography designs and vector art style that we can vectorize using recraft. So most of the time I'm using Ideogram. I will create like this design or hit this one. So you can upload in recraft and vectorize. So you can edit this one in Illustrator. So especially for this one, typography. So I'm always using also this. So lots of my clients and also to my POD stores. So that's why I like this. So you can go to home and check for the arts of other people, and you can like you can like, so it will be put here in your profile, like profile. So you can use this one. I use many times. It's a cartoon for my clients. Same like this. I recreated many times like this, like a logo and text, funny quotes, funny messages. So this is limited daily, but you can create daily. But if that's not enough, you can copy for example, this one. So you can copy this from, and you can use Flux also. So this is the next one, Flux. So you can use Flux using this website from Hugging Face. So like this one, you can generate this retro sunset style from Ideogram, the same. And it will show similar result here in using Flux. So this is your backup. If you want, if you're a free user in Ideogram and you want to generate more designs, so you can just use Flux with the same, using the same prompts. So this is their backup here for Ideograms. So this is the next one, Flux. So that's it. You can use the designs prompt here. Use in Flux. Sorry. And the next one, this is majority of my designs are made from DALL-E 3 using Bing. Some other people are afraid to use this because I think last 2 years ago, they're telling it's not allowed to use commercially under terms. But now you can use this one because they removed that restrictions. Before they put here that terms of use that you're not allowed to use commercially. But after several months, I think maybe six months or less than 6 months, they removed that restriction. So you can use this for commercial. So this is my TeePublic store. So most of this, like this one, these cards, Einstein, this one, the majority here, even for my clients, are made from DALL-E. So like this, I generated this one. So I have most of this tutorial in my previous video if you want. So this one, this one, this one, majority here, this one, this cartoon also are generated using that. This one, this. So most of this one are in my previous video. So this is my mostly used AI. This Bing for DALL-E. So I can generate many designs here. So this 15 are for 15 only for boost, so you can generate fast. But after that you can still create, but it's not that faster. It depends on the time because when there's many users, of course it will take too long. But it's that, I think maybe 1 or 2 minutes only, less than. If you don't have a boost, maybe 30 seconds or like that for one image. It's pretty fast. It's still pretty fast. So these are the arts that I like this, almost all of this from DALL-E 3. Then my second most used is Ideogram. Then this playground. So please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get an update for other tips. Okay. See you again later. Bye-bye.